Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of technology and security. In today's video, we're going to dive into the topic of VPNs and share some important tips to enhance your online privacy and security. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description below to avail exclusive discounts to our top choice of VPN, ExpressVPN. First things first, let's understand what a VPN actually is. A VPN is a technology that creates a secure and encrypted connection between your device and the internet. By routing your internet traffic through a VPN server, it masks your IP address and encrypts your data, making it difficult for anyone to intercept or track your online activities. So, how does a VPN work and how can it protect you? When you connect to a VPN, it creates a tunnel between your device and the VPN server. All your internet traffic passes through this encrypted tunnel, safeguarding it from potential threats. This means that even if you're connected to a public Wi-Fi network, hackers won't be able to access your personal information or sensitive data. Now, let's talk about our top recommendation. ExpressVPN is known for its exceptional privacy and security features. It uses cutting-edge encryption to ensure your data remains secure. With a vast network of servers in 94 countries around the world, ExpressVPN allows you to browse the internet anonymously while offering great speed and performance. When choosing a VPN, there are several key factors to consider. First and foremost, prioritize security. ExpressVPN offers strong encryption, such as AES-256, as well as additional security features like a kill switch, which automatically disconnects your internet if the VPN connection drops. This is very handy when you're playing online games like Fortnite and Call of Duty, among others. Another important factor is speed. With ExpressVPN, you can choose from the list of high-speed servers available to provide a smooth browsing experience. Additionally, having servers in different countries allows you to access region-specific content from anywhere. This can work when you want to access shows or movies from your favorite streaming sites like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, BBC iPlayer, or others that are not available in your location. Customer support is crucial too. Opt for a VPN provider with reliable customer support. Luckily, ExpressVPN has a 24/7 live chat that ensures that you can quickly resolve any issues or concerns that may arise during your VPN usage. There are lots of other VPN options out there, such NordVPN and CyberGhost, and you may want to explore them further based on your specific needs. But we know ExpressVPN meets all the criteria, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users. There are VPN free trials offered by these VPNs, so make sure to check them out through the links below. Now, let me show you how to use ExpressVPN. First, sign up for an account and avail yourself of a subscription. Next, download and install the app on your device. Once the app is installed, launch it and log in with your credentials. Select a server location from the available options and click Connect. As you can see, it will establish a secure connection, and you'll notice a change in your IP address. This means that you're now connected to the ExpressVPN server and ready to browse the internet with no worries. That's it for today's video. Remember, ExpressVPN is our top recommendation due to its excellent security features, speed, and global server network, so check out the links below if you want to try it risk-free for 30 days. If you're unsatisfied with it, that's okay. You can request a full refund, no questions asked. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Stay tuned for more informative content, and as always, thank you for watching.